In this session, I'm going to show you how to use 4 different functions in Excel. The first one is the average, the second one is the sum, which works out the total. The third one is how to find the smallest or the minimum number in a series of numbers, and also the largest, which would be the maximum. So we've got 6 different cricket players here, and we've got 4 different scores for each of the 6 players. So what we want to do in average is find out each player's average score. And the way we would do that is for every function that we do is the first thing we do is put the equal sign. So you put equals, and then the next part is the function which we want to carry out, and this would be average. Then we do an open bracket, and then we need to say where the number will start from. So it will start from C5, and we can either write C5 or we can click on it, and then we do semicolon, and then where it will end, so F5. So we want to take the average of all 4 of those scores, and the average is basically just adding all 4 of those scores up and dividing it by how many there are, which is 4. And this function will do that automatically for us. So all we need to do is just close bracket and press enter, and there is our average formula. Now if we wanted this same average formula for all of the 5 cricket players remaining, all we would need to do is see that little black box at the bottom right hand corner, this one here. All we need to do is just click on that, or roll our mouse over and you'll get this cross, click on it and drag all the way down to where you want it to finish, and it will copy that same formula all the way down basically. So let's do the total. To do the total, we do the exact same thing, so we always start with equals. Then the next bit is we use the sum function, and that will just sum up everything that's in there. Again, open bracket, and again we say where we want it to start from. So we want to start from C5. Again, I can write that out, or I can just click on it and then say where I want it to finish, which is F5. See, notice how it's automatically changed. The reason it's done that is because I haven't put the semicolon, so don't forget that. So semicolon, and then you're saying where you want it to end. Okay, and that would be F5, close bracket, enter. And again, you can copy that down. So copy down, and then the next one is the smallest. So again, we use the equal sign. This time we use min to find the smallest number, and we say where we want the range to start and end from. So we want it to start from C5, semicolon, and we want it to end in F5, close bracket. So it will search all 4 of those scores and it will return the smallest number, and then press enter, and it's returning, it's saying out of all 4 of these, it's saying the smallest number is 3, and we know that yes, looking at it, that is correct. Again, fill down, we check the next one, what's the smallest out of these scores? Number 15, and yes, it's returned number 15. Then the last one is the largest score, and again we use equal, and this time we use max to find the largest number, the maximum number. Open bracket, say where we want it to start, so C5, semicolon, semicolon, and where we want it to end, which is F5 here. So we'll search for all 4 of these, close bracket, enter, and it will return the largest number. And again, by checking it and looking at it, yes, the largest number is in fact 101, and then we just copy down. And there we have our average, our total, our smallest and largest out of the scores.